Imagine diving into a world where your words craft income, where every sentence you type has the potential to turn into dollars. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Today, we explore how you can start earning online with ChatGPT, all without the need to invest a single dime. First things first, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's like having a robotic wordsmith at your fingertips, ready to assist in a variety of tasks. Now, onto the golden question. How do you start making money with this tool? Here's a straightforward guide to setting up and diving into the opportunities ChatGPT offers. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with ChatGPT. Visit the OpenAI website and explore ChatGPT. Understand its capabilities and limitations. This step ensures you know exactly what the tool can do and how best to utilize it. Step 2 involves setting up your workspace. You don't need a high-end setup, just a reliable internet connection and a computer. Create an account on OpenAI's platform to access ChatGPT. This process is usually quick and free. Step 3. Identify your niche. ChatGPT excels in areas like content creation, customer service, and more. Pinpoint where your skills align best with ChatGPT's abilities. Are you a wizard at writing? Or perhaps you have a knack for solving customer queries? That's where you'll shine. Step 4. Start small with freelancing. Platforms such as Upwork or Freelancer allow you to offer services like writing, editing, or even virtual assistants using ChatGPT. Create a compelling profile showcasing how you utilize ChatGPT to provide value to potential clients. Step 5. Continuously learn and adapt. As you begin to accept projects, use ChatGPT to assist with your tasks, be it drafting articles, creating responses for customer support, or anything in between. Always ensure your final output is polished and human-like, as this will greatly enhance client satisfaction. Moving on to step 6. Scale your operations. Once you establish a steady stream of projects and refine your working method with ChatGPT, consider expanding your services. Perhaps start a blog or YouTube channel providing tips on using AI in various industries, or develop an online course teaching others how to leverage ChatGPT in their professional lives. In summary, earning online with ChatGPT involves understanding the tool, setting up your digital presence, finding your niche, starting with freelancing gigs, learning from experiences, and finally, scaling your reach. Each step builds upon the last, paving your way towards a potentially lucrative online career. So why not take that first step today? Explore ChatGPT, experiment with its capabilities, and start your journey towards earning online. Remember, the only investment required here is your time and creativity. The digital landscape awaits, and it's ripe with opportunities for those